Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to draw a Rolls Royce Phantom. We'll begin by sketching the main body, which is essentially a large rectangular form. Next, place two prominent circles for the wheels, ensuring they are well proportioned to the body. Then, lightly outline the distinctive front grille and the sleek headlight shapes. This initial framework is crucial for getting the car's overall stance correct before adding details. Now, let's refine the basic shape. Gently curve the top and bottom lines of the body to give it that classic Phantom silhouette. Pay attention to the wheel arches, making them smooth and symmetrical over the wheels. Sketch in the details for the rims and tires. Then, draw the side windows and the subtle lines that define the doors, keeping the proportions accurate for a realistic look. This is where the Phantom truly comes to life. Carefully draw the iconic Spirit of Ecstasy emblem on the hood, a small but vital detail. Refine the large, rectangular front grille, adding its vertical slats. Sketch the front bumper and fog lights. Don't forget the distinct hood lines that flow towards the windshield, and add the side mirrors, ensuring they are positioned correctly on the doors. For our final steps, let's add some finishing touches. Lightly sketch in any visible interior details through the windows, like seats or the steering wheel. Now, apply shading to create depth and make your drawing look three-dimensional. Consider where light would hit and where shadows would fall, especially under the car and in recessed areas. Finally, carefully erase all your initial guidelines for a clean, polished drawing.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.